Alright guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do well to like, subscribe and click the thumbs up button. Yes, I'll be showing you guys how to gain access to mockups for your design projects. These are premium mockups that will make your design stand out, especially during presentation process to your clients. These are actually top notch. These are for logos, um and so many more. Can just go through them. I'll, so these are premium mockups, high quality. You can actually download them, click on them, download them in PSD, and you edit them to your taste. Yes. So you just scroll down and the free download, you download it and it downloads to your system. So this is free mockup wall, mockup 3. Yes, and another website is this. I'll be dropping the website in the description so you can check it out and try it out for yourself. So these are actually free, so you can just try this out to make your work stand out. Let's take a look at this. So you can actually download this. Just click on this free download button here, then you'll be able to download this and make it. So but let's do something quickly. Let's search for shirts. So let's see the available shirts. Yes, I love this. So we can actually download this and make use of this for our presentation. And also we have mockup world. These have so many thousands of mockups that we can use. This is actually for album, this is for curtain and shower, and so many other. You can actually have packaging, signage bill. This is for signage mockups. Then these are for flags. I know so many of you will like this flag. Also have so many. Yeah. So this is for iPhone. Let's take a look at this iPhone. So iPhone mockups. Yes. You can just explore this and play around with them so you can get what you want. So we also have the last one, free pick. You have to sign in. When you sign in, mine is already signed in, so you have to sign in. So when you sign in, scroll down. This is mockups. There are so many options here which you can actually go through them and you get your desired result. So this is mockup. Yeah, so here you can actually gain access to so many free and also paid mockups. So but for the free, you can actually get free versions of them, so they would serve your purpose. So this is for apparel, device, print mockups and packaging mockups. So let's take a look at apparel mockups. So this involves clothes, branding of shirts and hoodies. So just play around with them and you will love them. Yeah, thank you guys. Please, I'll be dropping the link in the description below. Please like, share and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yes, so that others will actually reach out to this content too. Yeah, thank you very much.